Remote control is one of the most powerful tools to streamline IT support, resolve device issues faster, and reduce operating costs. Esper provides multiple methods to enable remote control via Android devices. In this video, we'll show you what we call the manual method. This is the simplest way to get started on a single device and works on Android 7 and above. Start with a provisioned device with a blueprint set to multi-app mode and has Esper settings and Android settings enabled. On the device, open the Esper Settings app. Find Remote Control, then Esper Remote Viewer. Enable the permissions. Once you have accepted the permissions, you can update and converge your blueprint to your desired device configuration, including kiosk mode. In your Esper console, find the device and navigate to Remote Viewer. Select Start Session. Once the session is started, you can expand your window to full screen, interact with the device, take a screenshot, and stop the session. Scroll down in the console window to view, download, and delete screenshots. You now know how to enable remote control via the manual method. Alternatively, to enable remote control in your devices at scale, and if you have a relationship with your device manufacturer, ask your Esper account manager or open a support ticket to find out how you can get a signed supervisor plugin. Learn more about remote control and other ways Esper can help you provide exceptional device experiences at esper.io.